Ko lang may tubig na kagad. Saan ka pa? Oh, di ba? Oh, di ba? Oh. Hi guys! So, this is my outfit check. So, for today's video po guys, we are gonna unbox my new Sebago tumbler po guys. Kasi like, I'm really a fan of Sebago tumbler. Kasi alam niyo ba guys, last week lang po, I had this Sebago tumbler. This was 32 ounce and it was not enough for me. But everything's good guys. It can store my ice drinks for 24 hours and also my hot drinks for 12 hours. Like, super convenient po nito. Lalo na ngayon guys, super init po ng panahon. So ngayon po guys, eto po yung napili ko, di ba? Last time I chose the pink color. Now I chose this something unique color, which is the firefly color. So ayan po guys, magsa-start na tayo. Ayan. Here it is guys. As you can see, it's so nice ng color, di ba? This one is a 40 ounce Sebago tumbler. Like, it can store your cold drinks for 24 hours and it could also store any hot drinks for 12 hours. So, kahit hindi nyo po siya gamitin o inumin kagad guys, masustore po niya yung warmness and ka-coldness ng drinks nyo. So, di ba super convenient nito, lalo na ngayon super init po ng panahon. Kailangan po talaga natin ng tubig parati, like with our side, kasi kailangan natin ma-hydrate all the time. So, ayan na guys. I'm gonna leave this in the yellow basket. Diba? Ang ganda niya, kaka-unbox ko lang may tubig na kagad. Saan ka pa? Oh, diba? Oh, diba? Oh.